Do you remember what we're making?
Yeah.
What are we making today?
Christmas treats.
Christmas treats. Hi everyone, we are live now with Cooking with Lincoln, and we're going to make holiday Rice Krispie treats today. It's the first time that we've made this. If you watched our other video of the birthday cake for Dad, you know that we're not the best at cooking, but we do enjoy it. We're going to start with some butter. For the sake of the video, we got this little portable stovetop heater, and I told Lincoln it gets hot, right, Lincoln? So we don't touch it. It says pre-measure all the ingredients before starting. We didn't really do that, but we do have all of our ingredients ready. So what you'll need is 1/2 cup of butter, baking sheet, parchment paper, and you're going to want to line like a 9 by 13 pan. So like this. You'll need some vanilla, salt, M&Ms, 10 cups of mini marshmallows, Rice Krispies cereal, some Rice Chex. Also, we got some festive sprinkles. Look at. Let's start by melting our butter. Remember, Lincoln, this is hot, okay? So I want you to be very careful.
Lincoln does it.
Lincoln does it. Okay, let me open it. I feel like we should have some like holiday music going in the background. You think, Lincoln? Want some holly jolly music? Oh, sorry. You were going to do it, right? Yay! So while the butter is melting, it says add salt and 8 cups of marshmallow. So the whole purpose is to get the marshmallows in like a liquid form. And then we're going to mix everything together. Again, I've never made Rice Krispie treats before. I heard it can be kind of tricky. But let's see what happens. You're doing really good, Lincoln. Okay. Good job. Lincoln loves Christmas music, right? What's your favorite Christmas song right now? What's your favorite one? The Grinch? You love The Grinch, right? Let's put our marshmallows in. Ready? Let's do 4 cups at a time. It says 8, but let's do 4. Okay, start mixing it up, Lincoln. Oh! Do you remember what we're making?
Yeah.
What are we making today?
Christmas treats.
Christmas treats. That's right. We got the heat going on this. Okay, he's turning it up. We don't want to burn the marshmallows. We want to melt them, but it's not really melting, so I'm cranking it up. All of our ingredients, Lincoln. Hey, I already opened the bag of M&Ms. Want to try one? We always try the ingredients. It's the best way, right? Eat the ingredients while you're cooking. And quickly stir in the vanilla. This is our vanilla. And we need our measuring cups. Ready, Lincoln? Pour it in. Woo! Now pour it in, Lincoln. Woo! Good job. First batch. Okay, Lincoln mixes it. More.
Lincoln does it.
You do both at the same time. Okay. Okay, and this one actually, again, calls for Chex cereals. Some make it with this, some don't. So I'm going to do it. Just why not? So you guys voted on what we should make. It also says add in the 2 more cups of marshmallows now. The final 2 cups. I guess they want these to not be as melted. Alright. Red and green M&Ms. It says 1 cup of Christmas M&Ms. Okay, go ahead and pour those, Lincoln. We want 1 cup. I'm going to say it's like the whole bag. Yeah. And then some sprinkles. Try a little bit. I have one? What color can I have?
Red.
Red? It definitely has made a mess. Oh, sorry, Lincoln. And while I'm mixing it, you add the sprinkles in. Which ones do you want? We can do a bunch. Whoa. Oh, okay. Is that good?
A little bit more.
Wait. Oh. These are going to be really tasty, Lincoln. So now we're going to pour it into our pan lined with parchment paper. And it will have to cool for 30 minutes. Oh my gosh. As always, nothing is... Okay, it actually turned out pretty good. Kind of like forceful and laying it into the pan. Don't be afraid to use your hands. And because you really want to get it like really flat so that when you do cut it, you can cut it into squares. And we'll put a picture of how it's supposed to look and what ours end up looking like once they're done. After it cools, we'll try them. Okay.
Very good for Lincoln.
This is very good for Lincoln. Okay, this is what it looks like, everyone. I patted it down as much as I could. I think we did pretty good, Lincoln, right? Okay. So stay tuned for the video after of us trying it. Stand up.
Video after video.
Okay, we're back. It's been 30 minutes, and we are going to try to cut the Rice Krispies. I heard this can be really tricky, and we're going to taste test them. Are you ready, Lincoln? The trick is to spray your knife with some kind of oil cooking spray to help the stickiness. So here we go. And then you're just going to cut into squares. Okay, which piece do you want? This one, this one, this one, or this one? That one? Okay. Wow, it turned out pretty good. I'm pretty proud of us here. Okay. Let's see. Whoa. Okay. Ready? Cheers. Did you take a bite? It's really good. Take a bite right here. Let's try it again. Cheers. Cheers. What do you think? Was it good?
Melting. Was the egg?
We didn't cook with egg today, buddy.
The egg.
Yeah, this is kind of like just a no-bake recipe.
Ready for cheeseburgers?
Oh, okay. I think it's ready for his lunch. Thanks for watching, everybody. Happy holidays. Say happy holidays.
Happy holidays.